morning, September, Jungkook's birthday. It's beginning to look like fall in New York. Sweater. What a beautiful day. I wish I had a coffee cup in my hand. I've always wanted to go for a walk with a coffee cup, and now that the weather is getting cooler, I've really wanted to have something warm, a decaf coffee. Maybe another day I will do it. All green still. The leaves will change really soon. Hello, we are picking up my new fall boots. I just bought, oh, by the way, new glasses also. I just bought some brown knee-high boots that are my fall boots for the year, hopefully, if they're comfortable and they fit good. So we're about to go pick them up. September has been so good so far, and it's only the second day. Got them, they're Anne Klein. I'm going to try them on at home. Hi, okay, so we are back from the store. I wanted to do a little unboxing of the shoes. They're Anne Klein, so as I said earlier, you did see a little sneak peek of the shoes already, but let's unbox them. I've been wanting shoes like these for a year, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna buy them. And they're so cute. The perfect brown, if you ask me. The heel is chunky and like not super high, so I really like these kinds of heels because my beige knee-high boots have the same. It's a chunky heel and it's not so tall, so I can wear them to concerts and they are so comfortable. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to try them on, but here they are. They are so nice. I'm so excited that I have these. And then while I'm here, I mentioned I have new sunglasses. They're Burberry. So nice. And this is what they look like. Oh, they're so cute. They have the Burberry words, well, logo, but words. And they have this pink lens, which makes the world just look so beautiful. I was looking at a gray sky the other day, but I had my sunglasses on and I was like, oh my gosh, the day looks so nice. And then I take my sunglasses off and it was a gray sky, so it was actually really nice and I really love that. And my cousin said that I'm literally looking through rose-colored glasses and I loved that. I'm living la vie en rose, literally. It's so cute. So this is what they look like on. Love them. I've also been wanting a pair of white sunglasses for so long, so I decided to buy them. I got them off Depop, so it was a really nice price. And I'm so excited, so I'm gonna go try on the boots now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here are the boots on. They are so perfect. I'm so excited. They're gonna be so perfect for fall. They feel so comfortable already, so I think that I'm definitely going to keep them. I obviously have to walk around with them a little bit just to make sure, but they feel really comfortable. And at the store, the lady said that she has a spray to spray them because they're suede, so that they won't get ruined with the rain or anything or any of the elements. But I did not do that yet because I wanted to make sure that I was going to keep them, but I seriously love them. Oh my gosh, they are so nice and comfortable. I'm so excited. They're gonna look so good with all of my outfits. And honestly, they even look good with this outfit. I'm loving that so much. I am so excited. How cute.